Let's revisit inequalities. We had those in Chapter 1, and they'll show up again on the final. So if you consider the following statement that 5 is less than 8, and you add 4 to both sides, that would say that 9 is less than 12. Still true. If you add negative 11 to both sides, you get negative 6 is less than negative 3. Still true. But if you multiply by a positive 2, the inequality still doesn't change. 2 times 5 is 10, which is less than 2 times 8, which is 16. But when you multiply both sides by a negative, the inequality will change directions, because negative 2 times 5 is negative 10, negative 2 times 8 is negative 16, and now negative 10 is greater than negative 16. So the key thing there is if you're multiplying by a negative number. Let's see, in this problem, if I add a negative 3 to both sides, the inequality didn't change. Here, if I multiply both sides by a positive 1/2, the inequality doesn't change. If I add 7 to both sides of this equation, the inequality doesn't change. But here, if I multiply by a negative 1/4, or as some of you do, divide by negative 4, that will change the inequality. So it said that negative 4x was less than 8. Now that I'm done multiplying, it says x is greater than negative 2. And here I'd be multiplying both sides by a negative 5. Again, anytime you multiply by a negative, it'll change the inequality. It now reads that x is less than or equal to 10, when it originally read x divided by negative 5 is greater than or equal to negative 2. So be aware of that. We're going to be working on some more problems that have inequalities in them.